another building that is known in Spanish as Lonjas del Comercio. It's a building from 1908. That is a building that was the stock exchange building. At present it houses the offices of joint venture and also a radio station known as Havana Radio. Okay? Yes, now we can continue this way.